Hi. I know I've been missing in action as far as videos go in Snell Dog Sunday for the past, I don't know, I guess it's been about 2 months since I posted a video. My sincerest apologies. This whole coronavirus thing really kind of caught us off guard. So the following video was recorded in mid-March, probably about 14th, 15th. We moved. We had the move schedule and everything. We went to Denver and we met the movers on the 21st. It took the movers 10 days, 10 whole days, because of this whole coronavirus thing, to get our stuff out of storage. So we took 3 weeks and off to deal with this move. And then when we got back, crazy busy, just crazy, because everybody was shelter in place and the grocery stores were all empty, and we're literally running non-stop for all of the month of April pretty much. Finally things have calmed down. Finally things are starting to go back into place. It's now May 11th. Tomorrow's my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom! The video you're about to watch is basically the last 3 weeks of March. Our load home is taking us down US 101 in California. You're welcome to join us on the ride. So Michael could get Instagram pictures.
We're gonna get down the road. That's what we're gonna do. Come on.
Come on up. Come on up. I don't want top. See, look, I can't hardly reach the bottom.
Yeah.
Short girl problems. He decided to get this one here. 7.5 cubic feet, washes a queen size bedding. It's got the steam refresh. And we got those little drawers to go underneath it. We had to rent a cargo van since we don't have the Jeep anymore. Go get our stuff out of the camper. Woohoo! Moving day! This is the last time we're gonna make this drive up to Warsaw. Bittersweet, excited about new beginnings. We rented the cargo van because the Jeep was totaled a few months back. We don't have a lot of stuff at the camper, but it is our storage facility, cheap storage facility. It only costed us $100 a month plus electricity to keep our stuff there, and we had a place to sleep, lay our head when we were home. And anyway, so it's cheaper to rent this cargo van than it was to rent a pickup or an SUV or even a moving van. Bye, camper. We're loaded up in the van and ready to go. Bye-bye, camper. It's been real. And it's been fun. And thank you for giving me my new beginning and my fresh start. I'm off to bigger and better things, and I hope you can give the next person the same luck. threshold.
Baby, I ain't trying to break my bone.
Welcome home. This is our home. Yeah. The front hallway. We got the washer and dryer connections. Come on, Zeus. Yeah. We got a microwave and stove and oven. We got a sink, refrigerator, pantry. A good sized kitchen. We have a little bar. We can put a couple of bar stools here maybe. We got the dining area, the living room area. We think we're just gonna get a sectional to put on this wall, and then we'll put a TV here, and then this is our bedroom here, and this is our bedroom. It looks kind of small, but I think they said it's 19 feet, but I don't know if it's 19 feet from here to here or from here to here, but I think we can make it work. At any rate, yep, this is our closet, nice big walk-in closet. That's my closet. Michael's is in the other room. And this is our bathroom. Tub in there. I will, because there's one in there.
Well, we need to go.
Okay. I know. This is a spare bedroom. We think we're going to turn it into a home office, and we'll get a little futon instead of doing the double twin beds. And then we got this closet here. And it goes in over here too. Both sides open up, but I'm not going to do it for the video. Alright, and then it's all mirrored. Got a little coat closet here. Oh, the second bedroom or bathroom. And then a big giant linen closet here. Look at all the toilet paper I found. I've been stressing about toilet paper because of the day of media. And look at that, I got plenty. Anyway, that's our apartment. Oh, here's a coat closet where I can put all our coats when our visitors come. Keep the vacuum cleaner in there. And then this right here is a furnace, air conditioning, hot water heater, etc. Anyway, that's it. Oh, our balcony. I didn't show it, did I? It's pretty basic. There's not a closet out there or anything. It's just, it's a good sized balcony though.
Yeah, we put these tables and chairs up there.
Yeah, we're gonna have our wedding present table and chairs. We're gonna use it until we get our stuff out of storage and at my mom's house. Anyway, that's our home. We're going to Denver. I talked Michael into leaving a day early because I was worried about the bad weather. They were talking about tornado storms. Now we'll be in Denver tonight and we can relax tomorrow. For
beginning of time.
About 6 years.
Oh, now it's not 8 years. You said 8 years the other day.
It's 6 years.
Oh, okay.
But see, the thing of it is, my stuff.
See, you got him. I told you. That's how I do. That's how I do, baby.
My stuff was in storage so long that it went out of style and came right back into style.
See, I told you how I do. I know how to do it, baby.
Michael was pacing this black car.
No, white car.
The white car. Michael was pacing the white car.
No, he was trying to pace me.
Oh, he was trying to pace you. And you slowed down and then the cop got him. Is that what happened?
Yeah, baby, yeah.
We're going to see him here in a minute.
Wait station closed and they all up in there.
Yeah, because it's safe from the coronavirus. Dang, where the dang cop at? He ain't chasing no one, huh?
He probably pulled off on the exit.
Yeah, because he didn't want to be caught.
Didn't want to be...
Oh, there they are.
See, I told you, that black car probably.
Baby, you're gonna have to get back over.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that car was trying to pace Michael. That's not a white car.
I told you, black car.
That black car. Michael was trying to pace that car.
No,
They
Michael wasn't paying.
were trying to pace us. But they got caught by the cop. And Michael's so excited about that. Because he know how to do it. How you feel about it?
We drive.
You got that man a ticket. How you
I
feel
didn't
about
get
it?
that man a ticket.
Why
I
not?
didn't tell him speed. Or her.
He got his hair cut yesterday. What do you think of the dang Zuzu?
Be a pimp. Be a little kid.
He is our little kid. Uh-oh. We passing prime. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Bum butter dum butter dum butter dum butter bum butter bum butter bum butter bum butter bum. People are supposed to be staying home, being quarantined, self-quarantining themselves, whatever. I just see people from all over. We got New Jersey, New York, Colorado. People are out, driving around, because there's nothing to do. We're going to Colorado from Missouri to go pick up my stuff because we scheduled this move months ago. And we're not going to let little Chinese flu bring us down or put us stopped. We're putting as much money into the economy this week as we can. Helping everybody out on our days off. Barbecue.
Barbecue. That'll be all. Thank you. You got any money?
We left Missouri this morning and we're 80 miles away from Denver. 10 miles away. Welcome to Denver. Whoa, the roads are bad. Whoa, we're 10 miles away from our hotel. Welcome to Denver. It's snowing. It's March, and it's snowing. It's like March 20th, 19th.
Hey.
View from our hotel room. Man. My storage room. I'm so excited. Got my dresser. Blanket for the bed. It's gonna get thrown away. So much stuff. All done. She's empty. So every morning we drink emergency, and every evening we drink emergency. And this cooking every day, twice a day, is really helping with the weight loss. I could be quarantined all the time, not eating dang fast food all the time, every day, cooking, moving around to clean, plus we're moving, and I'm staying busy all day long, so I'm not sitting on the couch eating. As you can see, look, when I had that whole area filled with those tubs, and now I'm just down to 6 of them. And then, most of it's just going in the closet. And I've been doing laundry like a crazy lady, as much as possible, so that I can put all the clothes away, and then we can figure out what we're going to donate and keep. Now the washer going pretty much all day. You just finished. Every time I feel like I haven't done enough, I just take a look at this. Everything in this closet has been washed. Well, not the shoes, but everything in this closet has been washed, folded, hung, or put away. Everything. That's what I've been doing for the last couple of days. Thankfully, Michael, my sweetheart husband, has been helping. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to hopefully get the dresser soon, put away what we can, and then I have a donation box right there started. So, and we have all these empty tubs. This is all my kitchen, bathroom stuff that I have to find a home for. I have all these empty tubs. I guess I'm gonna start designating them as donation tubs. We're busy. We've been busy doing things. It's a mess. After almost 3 weeks, or they're just about 3 weeks, shy 1 or 2 days. Michael's in there getting paperwork in that line. Everybody's trying to stay 6 feet apart from each other, all the truck drivers. This is steady watching, making sure Daddy's not going to get into any trouble while he's out there. And here we are, back on the road. Here we are in California. It's 5:30 in the afternoon. Peak of rush hour traffic. We're almost to Hespera. And look at this. Ain't nobody hardly on the road. Smooth sailing for rush hour in California. It's a miracle.
That's normal traffic for right here.
It is 7:11 p.m. We are going down Grapevine, right? Not Grapevine. Cajon. My bad. Cajon. Pretty light traffic. Pretty nice. I can't wait to drive across LA tonight. See how it's going to be.
Yeah, beautiful country. Too bad it's California.